Streetfighter build this week. Carburetors. These obviously have been taken out. I've stored them for some time. As you can see, they are rather grubby, grimy. So I'm going to start stripping these down so I can get most of these cleaned up, polished, etc. Oh, finally, it actually came off. Yeah, as you can see, that is that's had it, and the clip mutilated. Alright, same again on this one. This one shouldn't be too bad. There is a clip on it. I will be replacing all of these clips. That one came off a lot easier. Again, keep everything together as you take it off. Careful of the diaphragm. And there's the first one out. Again, it's got residue of petrol, as you can see by the discoloration. So again, that comes up through the middle. There we go, there's the needle and the retainer. For now, I'll just leave them in the cap. As I say, you can see by the discoloration at the bottom there, underneath. And the inside. So, easiest way I find, just one little curve. Pot. Contents of each carb into the pot. Obviously with the caps, yeah, I'll be polishing them up. So let's carry on with the taking apart the other three. Now on to the last one. one's going to be a bit of a pain. I will need to replace the screws. As you can see, they've all been cross-threaded on the top, or cross-headed. So let's see if we can get these out. Yeah, that's nicely had it. So obviously as I'm going through, I'll be making a list of what parts I need as I've stripped them down. So this will be a two-part video, because obviously, yeah, the first thing is strip down, clean up. Obviously start getting some polishing done while I order the bits that I need. It's probably going to be, well, it will be for, more than likely for definite, the carb repair kits. That one doesn't want to move. Yeah, so as I say, this will be a two-part video. The first bit will be basically as I'm taking these apart. Obviously, as you can see with the trays, each carb, so I know which order they came out in. So yeah, all four of those. All need replacing. Right, now that's quite a worrying one because that one has come out as a complete, gently, not too bad. And again, needle and retainer. So that's all the tops done. Alright, so the next thing, obviously keeping them in the same order, flip them over, so literally each of my trays will correspond to each of the bases. Again, looking at the screws, not too bad, but there does seem to be some crossheads. Right, for some strange reason there was actually a flat head. Not the original. So again, gentle tap. Yeah, there we go. Again, inside, not too bad, but it will need a clean up. Right, and then just push the pin through. And surprise, surprise, that's stuck as well. Second one off. Not very good condition. So again, big clean up job of that. And again, same again on this one. Remove the pin. Alright, finally, this one is starting to go. Let's remove. Alright, that's the other jet and filter. And that's the second one. Same again with the last two. There's number 3. So, last one to go. Again, all going to be replaced. Right, so that is the carbs. Basically stripped down. Choke mechanism. You can see here that seems to be, it's moving, but again it all needs freeing up. Yeah, as you can see, dust, cobwebs, grime. I mean, the actual plan was to actually strip these down completely, but unfortunately if most of them aren't going to shift. I mean, most of the mechanisms are working freely, So I think it's going to be a case of just take off what I can and clean up the best I can. Basically, like all these side covers, just get all these cleaned up, polished, etc. So, as you can see, basically, yeah, all stripped down, tops, bottoms, everything in its own tray and corresponding with each individual carb, so I know which one came out of which carb. That took rather longer than expected to actually strip them down, obviously mainly because of the problem with these pins. These holes, I'll probably use a fine sort of needle with maybe some very fine wet and dry wrapped just to clean through. But again, the pins, I'll be replacing all the pins, gaskets, jets, needles, etc. Float valves, just to clean up. They're actually not in bad condition, but these aren't, so they'll be replaced. And then start cleaning out the innards. There you go, so light caches out, you can see. So I hope that helped. As I say, this is part one of a two-part. Obviously now I need to make a list of everything I need to replace, basically get that ordered, get the parts in, and then I can start, obviously in between that I'll start cleaning these up. So I hope that was helpful. Any comments, leave them in the comments box below. Please remember, as always, to like and subscribe. I appreciate any comments that I get. So until next time, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Cheers. Bye.